In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Hotmail into Outlook email. Microsoft has brought Hotmail, Live, and other legacy addresses under Outlook.com, so you don't lose your old address, but you can modernize what people see and what you use to sign in. I'll walk you through the official path to make that switch using your Microsoft account settings. Start by opening the Outlook sign-in page from Microsoft's website. This is the standard login portal for Outlook and Microsoft 365. When the page loads, click the Sign In button. If you already have a Hotmail address, choose the option that indicates you're using an existing account and sign in with your current credentials. You'll land in your Outlook mailbox once you're authenticated. Look to the upper right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. In the menu that opens, select My Microsoft Account. This takes you out of the mailbox and into your central account dashboard where your profile and sign-in details live. On the account site, choose your info. This section controls your personal details and the identities tied to your account. Scroll down the page until you find the area related to your account information. Here, you'll see options that govern your sign-in email addresses and aliases. Click Edit Account Info. This is where you can manage the email addresses associated with your Microsoft account. To move from a Hotmail address to an Outlook address, you'll use the alias system, add or choose an Outlook.com address, and, when ready, set it as your primary alias. The primary alias is the address that appears on your profile and is used by default when you sign in and send mail. Follow any on-screen prompts. Microsoft may ask you to verify your identity for security. That could include a code sent to a recovery method you've set up. Once you confirm the change, your Outlook address becomes your main identity, while your Hotmail address continues to work so you don't miss messages. After updating, give your devices a moment to sync. If needed, sign out and back in so apps pick up the new primary address. When composing email, you can also check the From line to make sure your new Outlook address is the default. Finally, consider letting important contacts know about the updated address and review any services where you use your Microsoft account to ensure everything recognizes your new primary alias. That's it. Clean, official, and reversible. If you ever need to manage aliases again in the same